Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you step by step through installing and running the 1-bit inference Bitnet on your MacBook. Bitnet is a groundbreaking 1-bit inference that's really fast, and it's particularly optimized on MacBook on the Apple Silicon. So I'm really excited to see how we can install it on MacBook and run it. First, there are some requirements about the Python version. Need a CMake and a CLAM. There's build tools, and it's recommended to use the homebrew to manage and install them. For the build tools, please install the Xcode command line tool. If you don't have it, simply open your terminal and enter the command step 1. And then if you don't have the homebrew, you can install the homebrew by using the step 2 command. It may take a while as the download files might be big. And after that, you can use the installed homebrew to do the installation of the CMake and the LLVM at 18. After the LLVM is installed, please add the LLVM 8 to your path. On the terminal, enter that command. It will be able to do that for you, and you will need to reload your terminal to make it into effect. So the step is that we can finally start go to the GitHub, the Bitnet repo, and you can clone that to your local. You get a clone and pay attention to that. There is a flag --recursive. It will get the dependencies get downloaded as well. And secondly, just change your directory to the downloaded Bitnet directory. And it's recommended that you use a virtual Python environment. I use the Anaconda, so I have the Conda be able to create the virtual environment, Python 3.9, and activate it. And then you can install the Python dependencies, pip install -r, and requirements.txt. All right, I think then it's the exciting part. We can start to download the model from the Hugging Face. By doing it, we will be able to pull that model from the internet onto our MacBook. So I think this model is the latest model which Microsoft has trained from the scratch. They used 4 trillion tokens and compressed it into a 2 billion parameter model. And finally, we were able to do the setup to start to build the project, run the command on your terminal, Python setup env.py, and you provide the location to the models. And it will take some time, I think several minutes. It will be able to build that. Now it's time to run the inference. We can use the Python script, the run_inference.p, and we provide it a command. We were able to do that. So here is a live demo on running the inference on my MacBook. All right, we see that the inferencing is really fast. So if you want to know how exactly fast that is, you can run included the benchmark script. You can use the Python directly run this command on the command line, and it will start to do the benchmarking for you. So the benchmarking can take a while, so be patient. You can take a cup of coffee break. Let's do that on my MacBook. The spec of the MacBook is M3 Pro Macbook Pro. I'm opening a monitoring CPU for that because in this program, it doesn't use any GPU. It uses CPU only. I think the project mentioned that the GPU support is coming soon. I think I cannot wait because the CPU is already so fast, right? I think with the power of the GPU support, it will become magnificently faster. Okay, I think as you can see, while it's running the benchmarking, we can see that there's some spike on the CPU workload. And we can see the benchmark results is 58.22 and 55.6 token per second. Wow, that's really fast. Okay, so congratulations. I think if you following along, I think you should be able to install and run and benchmark the Bitnet project successfully on MacBook. Please post your questions in the comment or join the Discord server. And if you want to post your results, feel free to do that too. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Goodbye.